Oh, good. Wow. In today's video, I'm going to attempt to apply false lashes for the first time in years. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to stick around and subscribe. As you can tell by the title, I am attempting to apply false lashes for the first time in several years. This was actually a request from one of my email subscribers, which if you want to know how to get on my email list, it'll be the first link in the description box down below. I actually share with you, wow, that was a really long sentence without breathing. I actually share with you the importance of moisturizer and primer, which I feel like are very overlooked items in beauty and makeup. And they're very, very important in your skin. So it's a completely free course. First link in the description box down below. And then you will also be signed up for my weekly emails. So yeah, it's fun time. First link in the description box. Feel free to check that out. But anyway, she actually wanted a video on how to apply false lashes. And I was thinking like, that's cool because I haven't really done that in a really long time. And I know that there's several other videos on YouTube, but why not make this entertaining and kind of see the struggle that I have along the way. I've actually had these lashes for probably a couple months. I had these in a haul whenever I bought them. So whenever that was, I got these from TJ Maxx for only $2.49, and then I have lash glue. Now I've seen the basic concept on how to apply lashes, and I have done them before, like apply lashes before, but I wasn't like overly pleased with maybe I just had the wrong lashes or something like that. That's probably was the case. I just couldn't get them to stick onto my lid the best. So I've, heard about different techniques along the way. So let's see how this goes. I feel like these are fairly natural looking. The first thing that I'm going to do is curl my lashes. I feel like that would help. Also, I'm going to use a mirror from one of my palettes just to be able to see better. I can scoot up a little bit closer though. So yeah, I'm just curling my lashes as the first step. Also, I had, in my mind that I wanted to film 2 videos today, which this is the second one that I am filming, but our neighbor had his house pressure washed, and that literally took over 2.5 hours. Now, part of that time I was getting ready and stuff, but like I literally had to wait for 2 hours for them to finish because it was so loud, and there was no way that I would be able to film with that, that noise in the background. It'd just be too annoying. And they're just now leaving. Bye. I know that you can trim. Let me see if I need to trim these or not. So they're kind of stuck to this thing. Okay, first of all, I do like that the band is really, really narrow. I feel like that'll make them look a lot more natural. As you can see, I don't have any eyeliner on because personally, I don't really wear eyeliner very often. Let me see how long these will be. This will be too much. Yeah, wait, no. Yeah, I think these are gonna look very natural, and I'm not gonna trim these. I think that they fit my eye pretty good. Ooh, cool, great. These are our Dell lashes, just to let you know. Also, make sure that you're putting them the right way. If you look closely, I don't know if you can see that or not, but on this side, they are a little bit shorter, so that's going to be on the inside of my eye. Okay, so now take 2. Let me try to apply this glue. Oh, look at me rhyming. Okay, so I know the part of letting it get a little tacky. I do know that part. I think it's, I don't know, how long do people wait? Like a minute or 2 and they do this thing? So that's what we're gonna do. I hope you don't, I don't know. Obviously, I love doing makeup videos and that kind of thing, so don't take me like not seriously, but you also need to be able to laugh at yourself and have fun every now and then, and that's the point of this video. I'm gonna give that a little bit longer to be tacky. Honestly, I will be very surprised if this sticks on my eyelash. We're gonna call that good. So I've seen people apply these with tweezers, and I have tried that in the past, and I do have tweezers with me, but that's never really worked for me. So I'm just gonna try by like directly applying it onto my eye. It's gonna be so difficult. Even I feel like people who have this part down find it hard to apply this on camera, so, because they have to like get really close to the mirror. Okay, so just pressed this as close to my lash line as possible. Like let that dry. Also, I turned off the air so there's not that background noise. And yep, it's still really hot here in Florida. Let's literally, there's like, you can see the fake lashes and then my real lashes. I feel like this is even worse because I'm just annoyed because I had to wait for 2 hours to film this video. Wow, that was really aggressive. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lie. This is not as close to the lash line as it should be, but it's like pressed down closer. So, you know, little victories. Yeah, these are very natural looking eyelashes. Like, I feel like if I actually had this down, you wouldn't even really be able to tell. Not lie, there's a little bit of leftover mascara. I'm not even gonna pretend like that's like completely natural. But, okay, there's a very small amount of leftover mascara on this eye, but like not even really noteworthy, TBH, I feel like, because my lashes are like fairly thick and stuff normally. This is the eye with the false lashes and this is without. Like, can you tell a difference? Please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to see your thoughts on this. Like, can you tell the difference? Maybe whenever I look down, I feel like you'd be able to. But also whenever I was getting false lashes, I kind of wanted to get ones that looked a little bit more natural because I didn't want to have like the huge thick band and that kind of thing to try to hide. Okay, so what we're gonna do, and also, might be too far out on that part, but am I gonna start over? Nah. What I'm gonna do though is I'm going to apply the other one and then go in with mascara and maybe try to get like a little bit more volume. I will say, since these are so thin and that kind of thing, I literally don't even, like, okay, I feel like I can feel the glue a little bit on the end of my eye just while it's not in my eye, don't be dramatic, but I can still feel that a little bit while it's still drying. But from my experience, that was much better, much better. And words of affirmation, can you tell? But from my experience wearing lashes in the past, it was also really annoying. Like, literally every time I blinked, like I could feel the weight and stuff. And now that I'm thinking about it, I can feel that I have a false lash on this eye, but I don't think it's super frustrating. And I feel like I might get used to it eventually, maybe, question mark. Just gonna, you know, do this whole process. You know the drill. Let this get a little tacky. Maybe this one will go on better. That'd be great, but I'm also not going to set my expectations too high. One thing I will say for these lashes is I think that these do give it length. They're not as much volumizing, but they do add length and they look very, very natural. Okay, so left eye with eyeshadow is normally more difficult because I'm right-handed. Let's see how left eye with false lashes goes. Maybe it'll go great. Oh, okay, there's no way I can hold that and also apply this. It's gonna be ridiculous. I'm trying to keep you in frame so you can see what I'm doing, but also, like, I can't, it's fine. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be able to do this in frame. I'm literally doing the same thing that I did with my other eye, but I just need to get closer to the mirror because left eye is harder for me. Oh, good. Wow. Okay. Okay, cool. Awesome. Great. It's fine. Please stick, because if this doesn't, I don't know. Take 2 for this lash. Gonna let that dry. Also, so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Not gonna, you know, open my eye too soon, which was an amateur mistake that I did previously. Okay, so I'm just gonna like let it try to dry more with my eyes closed. Also, I know this might look like aggressive, but I'm not pressing hard on my eyeball. I'm literally just holding the lash down. Other than, okay, so the insides aren't as close to the lash line as I would like for both of the lashes, but I kind of feel like I like how this one looks better. What do you think? Can you tell the difference? Is this just me? I don't know if I would go through the trouble if they look this natural with my personal natural lashes, but I know some people, like, their lashes literally point down or something like that. So if you want them to, you know, have a little bit of volume and length, then maybe these would be kind of what you're looking for. Also, if you wear eyeliner, you know, that makes them a little bit darker and you might be able to see a little bit more drama that way if that's what you're looking for. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara and hopefully not mess up this situation. This is just a Travel Benefit mascara. I'm so paranoid that this is going to come off, that the false lashes are going to come off, so I kind of actually don't really want to do this too much. I think I might have separated my natural lashes and the false lashes a little bit on my left eye there. But overall, I still think it looks fairly well, especially for someone, you know, who's not very experienced with false lashes. I love makeup and makeup application, but false lashes is just not something that I have, you know, put as much time into. That's a little bit better. Like the mascara gives your lashes the volume a little bit more, but these false lashes give them the length. So I kind of see that benefit. Okay, I actually kind of like that with mascara more. Here's up close with the mascara. Hopefully looking back, I'm not like, wow, how did you not see this? But I mean, from where I'm sitting, I think this looks pretty good, especially for basically a beginner level whenever it comes to false lashes. Make sure you click the link at the bottom of the screen where I share another kind of challenge video where I do my full face of makeup using one eyeshadow palette. That was another really fun idea that I got from one of my subscribers. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it entertaining. I hope that you did, and maybe found a tip or two, whether it be what to do or maybe what not to do. Hopefully it's more what to do, but I know this was kind of more, you know, a laid back video than my normal ones. I still thought it was kind of fun. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Once again, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.